Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn what is COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. It is one of the oldest high-level computer programming languages. If you are new to computer programming, then you must be having question what is high-level computer programming languages. Programming languages are built to communicate instruction to computer. However, giving an instruction to computer is not a straightforward process. When I am referring computer, I am actually referring to CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU does the processing of the instruction and it understands a particular set of instruction. Those instructions are confusing to humans and it is difficult to write program using those instructions. Hence, computer industry developed programming languages. These programming languages, which are written by humans, are translated into native instruction which CPU can understand, and they are called machine language. Process of translating programming language into machine language is called compilation, and it is done by compiler program. A high level language is the one that must be converted or translated into machine language. The closer a language is to machine language, the lower its level. And COBOL is a high level language. In upcoming lessons, we will learn how COBOL is closer to human language than to machine language. COBOL full form clearly indicates that it is developed with focus on business or enterprise computing. You would not use COBOL to write a computer game or a compiler or an operating system. COBOL's forte is the processing of data transaction, and that's why COBOL is running in all the critical systems till today. You can find COBOL in insurance, banking, finance, government, military, or telephony systems, and so on.